Paying for your mortgage using Heloc is pretty easy thing to do. Today we are going to talk about what is Heloc and how to use it to pay your mortgages. So for that, let's talk about what is Heloc. Heloc is actually a home equity line of credit, which means that you give someone some equity of your home and they give you some money in return. So you have to pay them money back to get your equity back. They cannot, obviously sell it without your consent and stuff, unless you cannot pay that mortgage. So how can you actually use Heloc to pay off your mortgages? So first of all, you need to find a good rate for Heloc. You just need to look for the whole market. After that, you need to apply it to them. So after the application, they will give you some money, of course, for your equity, for your house equity. And after that, you can use those funds to pay for your mortgages. So in order to do that, you need to have consent of the mortgage company as well, that you will be paying them using Heloc. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Heloc to pay off your mortgage. Hope you guys find this video helpful.